Do you want to be able to afford nice shoes just like these? Make sure you watch this whole video through to find out.
Muchas gracias, DeQuill.
What is good, YouTube? DeQuill back again with another video. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, man. Put it on to more sauce, bro. So this video is going to be more orientated towards my younger audience out there, for my teens. Mostly ages like 13 to 17, but you know what I'm saying? All age groups can still learn from this, you know what I'm saying? So let's get into it, If y'all want more videos like these, man, let's get to 50 likes, I'm gonna try to make this video fast. I don't want this video to be longer than 10 minutes, so nice and short, because the younger audience got a shorter attention span too, so let's get it. So number one on the list, we got paid surveys. If y'all don't know what paid surveys is, you literally get paid to take a survey. In the description below, there's a survey y'all can take and get paid from. I did this when I was younger. Literally, all you have to do, it takes like 5 to 10 minutes. You literally take like 15 questions. It just asks you about like, what do you prefer, like Netflix, like Hulu, like what shows do you watch? It shouldn't ask any personal question. If you take surveys out there, it's actually like all your personal business, you probably should not be taking that, by the way. Probably just a scam. Next, we got homework and tutoring. I'm gonna go more in depth how to make money on this. So I say homework and tutoring because all you're really doing is getting paid to do people's homework. And I know for my younger audience, y'all are in school right now, and a lot of y'all are lazy, and you can use that laziness to make money. And I know y'all got some friends out there, you know, who fail in science class, you know what I'm saying? They don't be doing their homework. And you be like, bro, I got you, man. If you give me $5, $10, I'll do your homework. But, you know, make sure you do it right, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you get the right answers too, by the way, you know? But literally doing people's homework, helping with that work is a good way to make money, especially as a young teen. A lot of y'all got attention spans like flies. Right? Number 3, we got reselling clothes. So I know a lot of y'all there got clothes y'all don't wear, or maybe some shoes y'all don't wear, and literally if you in school wearing a nice hoodie and your friends be like, let me buy that, you know what I'm saying? I could be like, I got you for $20. And if y'all don't know, there's stores like Goodwill. I know if you live in America, you literally can take a whole bunch of clothing there and they'll pay you to drop clothing on that you don't wear, which is nice. We got managing social media. So I'm gonna go more in depth on this one too. So managing social media, I mean, like if somebody has a business or a brand, you help them with their emails, help them promote. If they're a streamer, if they're a streamer, like you be their moderator. You can get paid for doing stuff like that, which is really simple. You know, as a teen, you know, maybe you're in class, you repost, you know, one day drops, they just they pay you $5. You know, you didn't do nothing, but you know what I'm saying, you're posting, you got money, which is super easy. A lot of people don't know you can really make a lot of money that fast. Next on the list, we got Amazon flipping. And if y'all don't know what Amazon flipping is, all you do is you can look up any product for real. So let's say you want to sell your friend a $20 keyboard. You know what I'm saying? Your friend is looking for a keyboard for $20 and you see one on Amazon for $10. You tell your friend, I got you the keyboard for $20. And then once they give you the money, you buy the keyboard that was for $10 and sell it to them. That way you made the profit for $10, if that makes sense. Because my younger audience, maybe you don't have the money to spend, but once they give you that money, you buy the cheaper item, which you gonna charge what you charge for more, basically. Which a lot of businesses do, but you can start out your business that way. A lot of people don't know. Like literally, you say you have a product for more, somebody wants that product, you buy on Amazon for cheaper, you give them that product, and there goes your profit right there. Boom. Nice and simple. And I'm gonna give y'all a bonus one at the end for my teens out there that want to make money fast, is streaming on TikTok. I think all you need is 1,000 followers, which is really easy to get if y'all don't know. TikTok, a lot of people blow up on TikTok off of like one video, or just literally you can record yourself shooting a basketball and blow up off of there. So 1,000 followers shouldn't be hard at all. Streaming on TikTok, literally all you have to do is turn on your live stream. You can sit there, you can go to the gym, put it down, or go work out, and somebody gonna send you gifts. If you don't know what gifts are, that's the currency they use to make money. You don't really need to be monetized on TikTok to make good money, because all you need to do is go live to make money on TikTok. And go live with your friend. Literally, y'all can battle each other, which is one of the easiest way to make money. I hope y'all enjoyed that video, you know what I'm saying? It was short and sweet. I'm not here to waste y'all's time. I'm not here to waste y'all's time. Hopefully y'all have a blessed 2025. See y'all in the next video.